In this video, we'll learn how to set up a CloudPixel automatic hand sanitizer kiosk. Let's get started. I have a USB keyboard connected to this kiosk right now. Some of the very important shortcuts are F2. F2 will get you back to the OS. In this case, it's Android. F3, that will show you all the applications running. By default, IDS6 will come back. It will automatically reopen. Now, if I want to get into the configurations of this kiosk with the mouse, I have to go to the top right corner and I have to click 8 times, and that will get you into the configuration. There are 2 very important pieces of information here that we need to get to. 1, you need to be able to configure your wireless, and your wireless can be configured right here. You see your network settings. If you have Ethernet, if you have a Cat5 already connected, you can click on Ethernet and then you can either obtain a DHCP address, IP address automatically, or you can specify your own IP address depending on your environment. The easiest thing to do is to connect to the Wi-Fi. When you click here on Wi-Fi, you go to search, and that will show you all the different Wi-Fis, all the different SSIDs that are available to you. You pick the one that you want, and once you pick it, it's going to prompt you for the password. You pick the password, and that's you enter the password, and that's all you need to do. The other important piece of information here is the server address. In this specific case, this is one of CloudPixel's servers. So I put the IP address. You can put either the IP address or the URL for the server. This is the URL for the server. If your server is hosted by CloudPixel, reach out to CloudPixel, to your representative, and ask him for the URL if you're not sure what it is. From here also, if you go to player, you'll see the player ID right here. This is a very, very important piece of information. This is what helps you connect your device, your kiosk, to the server. That's how the communication is done. Everything else here in this page and in the previous page can be configured directly from the server once the kiosk is registered with the server. In this case, we haven't made any changes, so I'm gonna hit stop player. There we go.